Hi everyone, and welcome back to InsulTips by Innovative Energy. Today we're going to be discussing the advantages to using stock sizes and a tip on how a little creativity with an InsulTote pouch might help you if you're in a bind or even save you a little bit of money year-round. If you're one of our current customers or if you've looked us up online, then you'll know that we make InsulTote pouches, box liners, and pallet covers right here in Northwest Indiana. Our specialty is definitely our custom sizes because we can make almost any size within a half-inch accuracy, and we also have no minimum orders on custom sizes. We know what it's like when you're just starting out with shipping and you're unsure of what size to use. We do have dedicated representatives that can help you find that out. However, there is still going to be a little bit of trial and error to get that nailed down. We want you to have no minimum order on custom sizes so that you can get exactly what you need and not be stuck with thousands of liners on end for years to come. While our custom sizes are extremely popular for these reasons, they also can sometimes come at a longer lead time, especially during peak seasons like the warmer summer months or the holidays, and they also can sometimes come at a higher price point. This is because our pricing is worked off of time spent on the line. So as your volume increases, your price will decrease. So if you are getting a smaller portion of custom sizes, your price could be a little bit higher. This is why we also offer a large array of stock sizes. We're proud to offer a large variety that are sure to fit any needs. We base this off of customer feedback, as well as the dimensions that are currently trending in the marketplace today. If you're somebody who uses a custom box liner or pouch, there's a high possibility that we're going to have a stock option that is very similar to suit your needs. An advantage to using the stock sizes is that we carry them in limited quantities on hand. We can ship these out within 1 business day. This helps free up the inventory space for you, although we do still recommend that you pre-plan and try and order as soon as possible because they are a hot commodity and we could run out. The good news is if we run out of stock or if you don't have time to wait for the lead time, there is another option. All of our InsulTote box liners start off as a 2-dimensional InsulTote pouch. What we do is we heat seal the corners off of a pouch to create the 3D gusseted bottom of the box liner. If you wanted to simulate this on your own, you would just get an InsulTote pouch that's equivalent in size, grab both of the corners and pinch from the bottom, and then slide it directly into your box. This creates a 3D InsulTote pouch at a fraction of the cost and also can sometimes come in a shorter lead time. For more information on finding the pouch that's equivalent to the size you need, hit the contact button on our website and we'll be sure to help you find that out. I hope you found this video informative and thank you for taking the time to watch. Be sure to stay tuned for next month's InsulTainment.